How to fix cannot connect to iTunes Store. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. Now for that, first of all simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to internet either via Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between this connection to see if that resolves the issue. Now the next step would be to simply go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are inside settings, scroll below and then tap on general. From here simply tap on software update. Ensure that the device is running in the latest version of iOS. If not, simply go ahead and update your device. Now once you do that, hit back to settings, tap on general again, scroll below and then tap on date and time. Now from here, ensure that set automatically is turned on. If it is already turned on, you might try turning it off and then setting the date to random future year and then reverting back to the correct date. Now once it is done, hit back to general and now simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Once you are here, simply tap on reset and then again tap on reset network setting. This will erase all the saved Wi-Fi network and password, so be prepared to re-enter those. Now once you do that, hit back to your home screen and then see if it fixes the issue. If not, simply reinstall the iTunes. Long press iTunes, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application again and that should fix your problem. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.